Rajni Shailendra, Vice President and Global Unit Head at Tech Mahindra. I'm thrilled to lead the strategic relationship between Tech Mahindra and IBM.
Hi, I'm Peter Mark. I'm the Managing Executive for our partnership with Tech Mahindra at IBM. And I'm excited about how this is shaping up. We've been in this collaboration for 20 years now. And when we look at IBM today, we've become a software-led technology company that serve an ecosystem of partners based on industry open source and industry standards. And I think there's never been a better time to partner with Tech Mahindra.
If you look at Tech Mahindra and our strategic focus, it's really helping companies as they modernize digitally into hybrid cloud with 5G connectivity to the edge. With IBM's leadership position in open source as well as enterprise solutions, I think we have a fantastic competitive edge.
Yes, and when we do the Red Hat-based solutioning with IBM technologies, we start to bring out solutions. And there's three specific ones where we see a lot of interest right now. The first one is the enterprise edge operational technology with Maximo. The second one is cloud optimization with Turbomonic. And the third one is bringing security from cloud to edge to support that.
The first one, asset management, enterprise asset management with integration to 5G and edge. We have a customer that is a global energy and utilities conglomerate with locations in over 170 countries, 10 business units, 55 Maximo implementations. We actually helped them deploy Maximo on IBM Cloud and brought them process efficiencies as well as cost reductions. So it was a fantastic case study.
When we solution, we actually use Red Hat Ansible and Terraform to simplify the install so that the same solution could be deployed on a customer's choice of Amazon Cloud or Azure Cloud.
And we do not stop with Maximo, right? Turbomonic, for example, your cloud optimization solution. We actually incorporate that in our managed services engagements. We have a fantastic case study where we deployed Turbomonic with a government agency in APAC and gave them a 30% cost savings just based on the optimization we brought them. Moving on to security. As you know, Tech Mahindra is very, very focused on security, and we have some fantastic solutions there. We've actually leveraged IBM's solutions in our security operations centers globally. In fact, just recently, earlier this year, we announced a strategic partnership with IBM Malaysia to jointly offer cybersecurity solutions to local enterprises.
So the solution approach that we have jointly works well in those areas. And we're going to bring that to additional areas in, for instance, the telco is a big part of what you do, and 5G orchestration, and bringing that also to private 5G. But the solution factory approach is one thing. What about, and probably more importantly, how do we engage clients in that discussion?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have a number of very innovative solutions that we've developed together. And we have a fantastic medium for show and tell, right? We just launched our first Synergy Lounge in collaboration with IBM and Red Hat in Bangalore. Think of it as a place where customers can come in, engage with Tech Mahindra, and explore the various ways in which they can leverage IBM technologies and Tech Mahindra services to solve for complex business challenges that their organizations are facing. We have a few more lined up to be rolled out in the coming months. So great way to engage customers.
That's fantastic. And I think that's why we think of Tech Mahindra as being such a strong partner. You have very deep skills and you have very deep customer relationships. And I think when we bring this solutioning to additional customers, we'll unlock innovation to help them embrace the future together with us.
And I can't wait to see what the future holds for us together.